Buster and his friends are at school, and today they have a very special visitor. It's Mommy Firetruck! Hooray! She's here to show them what a fire truck does. When a building is on fire, you have to call a firefighter as quick as you can. What happens next? A hose is attached to a water hydrant and the water puts out the fire. Yippee! It's time to practice. They have to knock the cones over with a jet of water. Ash is first. Yay! Well done, Ash! And Scout? Oops! That's better. Well done! Now it's Buster's turn. Wow! Watch out, Buster! That was a great day, but now Mommy Firetruck needs to get to work. Goodbye, Mommy Firetruck. Thank you. Now it's the end of the day, and Buster is heading home. Bye, Scout. Bye, Ash. What is that? It's smoke. Where could it be coming from? Oh no! It's a fire! What should Buster do? He needs a firefighter. Buster is getting Mommy Firetruck to help. Teacher will take care of Ash. Go, Mommy, go! There's the fire. Aha! And there's a water hydrant. Next step, attach the hose. Oh no! Quick! Phew! The fire is out! Yippee!
Oh.
What great teamwork! It's the next day at school. Teacher is calling Buster up to the front. What could it be for? Look! Mommy Firetruck! She's here to thank Buster for all his help and award him with a special Firetruck hat. Go, Buster!